Uh, Next is Calamities. Third form of the fossil is Calamities. Its habit and habitat. The Calamites possessed an arborescent habit. The genus appeared in the Upper Carboniferous, flourished luxuriantly in the Devonian about 350 million years ago, and then become extinct in the early Triassic period. The fossil remains are rather commonly found through fragmentary forms. Here in this picture we can see the upper portion, it is said to be Lepidodendron for the stem, and for the lower portion it is said to be Calamites. Lepidodendron stump is said to be branch of the Lepidodendron. Here in the first picture of the Lepidodendron, Lepidostrobus and legules, leaf impressions, they are present and also they are preserved, they are ligulate. And the branch for the root branches, it is said to be Lepidodendron stump excavated from the Carboniferous rocks, Glasgow, Scotland region. This only the root system, uh, it is named as a Stigmarian root system. And here in this picture you can see the leaf impressions, leaf base impressions, and this is the original the photograph of the Lepidodendron, the root system. Come to the third one, Stigmaria. Lepidodendron. It is also preserved in the. It is preserved in the museum. The whole root system of the Lepidodendron is known as Stigmaria. It is preserved in the museum. Third one is Calamities. As I said that Calamities, in the strict sense, the generic name Calamities should be applied only to pith casts of the stems and branches. The plant bodies Calamities was a tall tree, about 20 to 30 meters in their height. Calamities plant. Here you can see the preserved materials, imprints of the Calamites. Here in this diagram we can see the fossilized form, that we can observe the presence of the branch impressions. Okay. Next, Calamities stem anatomy. Calamities, it is resembles to the existing the plant Equisetum, that is the living form Equisetum. The leaves of Calamities, which were produced in whorls of 4 to 60 at each mode of aerial branches, were either free form one another or united along with the lower margins. Internally, the stem of Calamities exhibit a stem remarkably similar to that of the present day Equisetum. Vallicular canals are, however, absent. The amount of primary wood scanty, most of the wood being secondary in nature. The canals present in the protoxylem and metaxylem. Centrifugal wood rays were also prominent. Here you can see in this picture the presence of carinal canal. They were also present in the existing living the species Equisetum. Okay, the stem structure, it shows almost resembling to the Equisetum. So by that these are very near to that of the present existing flora of Calamities with the Equisetum. The strobilus or cones of Calamities showed wide arrangements. The majority of them, however, belong to the either of the two genera. It is confusing, and here with this the TS of the young stem, portion of the mature stem, it gives about the presence of the Calamities plant. Thank you.